Congrats, Tharun, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your year of passed out?
I am 2013 passed out.
Okay.
With ECE background.
Okay. You are from which college?
I am from Srinix College of Engineering. That is Bhubaneswar.
Okay. Okay. How come BRN?
Actually, after my passed out,
Okay.
I was into a family business.
Okay.
So after that, when the online booking sites come up,
Okay.
our business quite went down. So my parents want me to join, do something with my degree.
Okay.
So I tried and find out beer, and luckily with the help of my friend called Dipankar.
Okay.
So then I came here and talked to Gopi sir. They are very coordinative. That's why I joined.
Okay. Have you ever expected, because you are from 2013 passed out, after these many years of gap, have you ever expected that you are going to get into IT industry?
Never expected, but it was happening good.
Okay.
So I'm happy now.
Okay. So what kind of major changes you have been observed first day of Tharun until today?
Only the confidence boost, I guess.
Oh.
Before that, I didn't have any experience on coding and all.
Okay.
Because I have an electronics telecommunication background.
Okay.
So now I am very confident on iOS and things I can handle things.
Okay. So have you ever expected, because you might have seen a lot of success videos before joining BRN, right?
Yeah, I have seen many.
Okay.
And I was waiting for this day to come.
Okay.
So very fortunate this day come very soon.
Okay. So what is the major changes of normal training and BRN training?
The main thing is we didn't practice at home, right?
Okay.
After 2 hours of any class, you go there and sit or do whatever you want.
Okay.
But in here, you have a compulsory thing that you have to work for 8 hours.
Okay.
So that's the difference.
Okay.
So that makes you do things differently, think differently, and you work harder for yourself.
Okay.
That's what matters.
Okay. So your success story is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
It's good. It's feeling very good.
Okay. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
People who are looking for good career, you just come into something like where you have a practical training, just like BRN. You can have your time and your passions, work harder. It will be successful.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.